So in this video, we're going to talk about how to write linear equations when you're only given 2 points. In this example, we want to write an equation of a line that passes through 3, 1, and 2, 4. So you can do this with a graph, but we are going to solve algebraically. So the first thing that we want to know is we need to know what is the slope of this line. So we need to find the slope. We do this by using our slope formula, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Using the slope formula, we plug in our values. I'm going to label these x1, y1, x2, y2. So y2 is 4, y1 is 1, x2 is 2, x1 is 3. So I plug these into my formula and I solve for my slope. 4 minus 1 gives me positive 3. 2 minus 3 gives me negative 1. And when I simplify this 3 over negative 1, I just get negative 3. So this is my slope so far. Okay, so I figured out the slope. Now I just need to solve for my intercept. To do that, we do something similar to the previous video. Okay, so we use the slope that we just found and the first set of points, and we plug those back into our y equals mx plus b equation. You can actually use either set of points. You don't have to use the first set. I'm just always going to use the first set to keep it consistent and easy to follow, but you could also use this pair of points if you wanted to. So I'm going to first write out y equals mx plus b to substitute. And then I'm going to substitute my x and y. So my x and y values, y was 1. My slope was negative 3. The x value was positive 3. And then I have plus b. Once I have substituted those in, I just solve. Negative 3 times 3 is negative 9. Then I need to do the opposite operation on both sides. So I'm going to add 9 on both sides. This way I get b by itself. And 1 plus 9 is 10. So my b value is 10. After figuring this out, I now know my slope, negative 3. I know my y-intercept is 10. And I just write my equation. So write the equation in y equals mx plus b. So my equation here would be negative 3x and plus 10. This would be our final answer.